2011 Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, ABS four-wheel, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, bucket seats, CD player, child safety locks, passenger airbag, MP3 player, side head airbag, power windows, power door locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.